So I think policy breakfast events like the one we just had are incredibly important because it allows a number of different types of stakeholders to come together and talk about the importance of how policy can enable a sector or a market. In our case, we were talking about clean cooking and the impact that it can have on reducing indoor air pollution, improving health, empowering women.
It is a very relevant and important topic, which really is important for the development of Bangladesh, not only because of our environmental concerns, but also because of the health and the safety of people. And as was mentioned as well, it will really alleviate hard work of women spending hours in the kitchen, especially in rural areas.
কিভাবে গ্রামের একদম প্রত্যন্ত অঞ্চলে আমরা ক্লিন এনার্জি পৌঁছাতে পারি।
I have thoroughly enjoyed the discussion this morning. I think it was a combination of the policymakers, the ministers, the private sector, the United Nations, NGOs. Collectively, I think we have come up with a lot of new ideas.
আমাদের অনেকেই ধারণা ছিল না যে হাজার হাজার আমাদের মা এবং শিশুরা মারা যাচ্ছে এই একটিমাত্র কারণে। এটার জন্য বিশাল বড় ব্যাপক আমরা অ্যাওয়ারনেস প্রোগ্রামের চিন্তাভাবনা করেছি এবং করছি।
For me, couple of takeaways. One, more innovation that is future-proof, that is affordable to the community. Two, scaling up within 5 years, making sure that all cook stoves in Bangladesh are safer and greener, and also making sure that the partnership, which is very important, that it is not the energy-related partnership, but also partners from other areas like health, education, so that we can make a joint effort to achieve the 100% green and clean stove in next 5 years.
Now, in terms of policy as it relates to clean cooking, we identified really 4 key areas that we would be able to, where policy could help us move the sector forward. So one is in the area of awareness. We talked about the importance of creating greater awareness at the household level as to why people needed to shift their way of thinking about cooking and moving to higher quality products, both cook stoves as well as fuels. We also talked about the importance of education and potentially including clean cooking in curriculums at the primary and secondary school level, and also the importance of awareness with health extension workers and how they can talk about clean cooking supporting healthier outcomes for families. The other areas we talked about were financing, capacity building, the importance of standards, as well as taxes and tariffs. All of these are important when you're thinking about policy that will help really take this effort and sector to scale.
বাংলাদেশ গভর্নমেন্ট ক্লিন এনার্জি ফান্ড তৈরি করেছে, ক্লাইমেট ফান্ড তৈরি করেছে, যেখান থেকে আমরা সহযোগিতা করছি। আমরা কিভাবে ট্যাক্স রিবেট করানো যায়, প্রাইভেট সেক্টরকে এটার মধ্যে ইনিশিয়েটিভ করা যায়, এই বিষয়গুলো কিন্তু কাজ চলছে।
So what I found really interesting about this session is not only the different stakeholders and their viewpoints, but really the drive that each one of us could do individually as well as collectively in achieving some of the policy outcomes as well.
And all the stakeholders, we have joined our hands for future cooperation. So actually it's a wonderful event, I should say. Thank you very much.